Hello everyone, this is Story from Science.
Hello everyone, this is Easy from Suness.
Many customers have some questions into computer before placing the order. I will ask some basic questions that customers are concerned about. And our excellent sales representative will answer those questions. The first question, what kind of lithium battery does Suness provide?
We have household energy storage batteries, high voltage lithium batteries, industrial and commercial energy storage system.
And next, why choose Suness? Does Suness have any advantage?
One, Suness is China's top brand, providing highest quality products and service, 10 years warranty. 2. Multiple engineers with more than 10 years experience in R&D technology team. 3. We have many branches offices in other countries, providing local service.
Wow, looks so great. Suness is really reliable and professional. Those lithium batteries look so great. May I know which one is the top selling model, and does this model have any key features?
Our best seller is inthe 15 kWh. It's an inthe battery, has more than 6,000 cycle times. You can check what sales data through mobile control. Its modular design is very safe and secure.
Okay, does those lithium batteries stop in the factory with fast delivery?
Yes, we have large stock ready to ship.
Great, and the last question, how about the warranty terms? If customers have any problem for the lithium battery, how can Suness provide the solution?
About the after sales, we provide 24 hours offline Q&A. If the battery itself has quality problem, we will provide free parts to replace it. If the battery cannot be repaired, we will send a new one.
Great. If you have more questions or inquiries, please feel free to contact Suness. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.